today's video, I'll go over how I missed out on a 501 trade. On the daily, the trend is overall bearish. H4 bearish, H1 bearish, broke all those structure, low, high, low, M30. So H1 down to the M15 bearish. I will go over what I was looking for. So I had my volume area high at 65.59. The POC was at 65.20. Volume and volume area low at 65.14. So this was my current day volume session. So the market condition all in line. The daily is bearish and all of the other time frame are bearish, which are all in line. So I was looking for short from the premium at the volume area high to possibly target the volume area low, the POC and volume area low. There I had three scenarios, which the first one was price reaches volume area high and show sign of exhaustion, then look for short using the M5 with order flow confirmation, absorption failed again. Scenario 2, price is inside volume, then only trade extreme, volume high, volume low, avoid middle POC, and the scenario that ended up playing out is the 3. If price breaks above volume area high and maintain acceptance, then look for long on a retest on the M5. So price broke above the London high, maintaining acceptance, maintaining above. Then we close below the volume area high. Then the next candle closed back above it. Candle rejected, but it was a weak candle. There was a lot of selling pressure into that candle. And the second candle is where I ended. Here. And I was targeting the this day for the area low. So why did I draw this huge boxes? When price opens below the previous day's volume area, it often signals that price is out of volume and there's a higher probability of rotation back into that area. So then my target was the volume area low of the previous day, but normally I don't trade with TP anymore. But my mistake was having the TP set at the previous day volume area low. So when price reached the 201, I did not have time to remove the TP, because like on TradingView, when you remove the TP, it asks you like, are you sure? And at that time I was reading it just to be sure, and those 5 seconds cost me this 501 trade. So I ended up making a 207, and price came all the way up to 601, which I will move my target to a 501, and boom, I would then stop out. So this is how I missed out on a 501 trade. So I started trading order flow 2 days ago, and yeah, it's amazing. Uh, it shows you like what is happening, not what happened with my supply and demand foundation. Like I was reacting based on what really happened compared to now the order flow is showing me what is happening now and gives me opportunity to stay position. Yeah, now I mean there's just so many benefits compared to other strategy. So if you want to connect, you can DM me on Instagram. If you're order flow trader with a lot of experience and there's some stuff that I've missed out on the trade breakdown, feel free to DM me. I'm all ears. So yeah, I'm out.